How can you go about buying gold when you want to, and what's the best form to buy it in? Physical gold or ETFs? As America's Gold Authority, we compare and contrast the two to help you decide. Here are 4 of the key differences between physical gold and gold ETFs. You can touch physical gold. Purchasing physical gold lets you literally hold and store the yellow metal in your home. When you have an ETF, however, you own shares of companies that hold or mine gold. These shares can be traded like stocks, but can also be created or destroyed to accommodate investor demand. Physical gold can neither be created nor destroyed. This means all of the gold that's been mined is still in existence in one form or another. Physical gold stands apart from many market pressures. ETFs and other paper stocks experience market volatility, and many financial analysts are concerned that there's a huge disconnect between stock market prices and reported earnings. In addition, the long-term value of paper money, including the US dollar, is diminishing as governments continue to print currencies. Since physical gold can't be created or destroyed, it is not subject to the same price pressures as paper assets. More physical gold can be mined, but not generated. Throughout history, nearly 198,000 metric tons of gold have been mined. Around 50,000 metric tons remain. In other words, there's a finite supply of gold. So when gold becomes harder to obtain, this typically drives up prices. Meanwhile, new gold ETFs can and do pop up. This makes you wonder whether the precious metals paper form can truly compare to the hard asset of physical gold. Physical gold enjoys a long track record. Gold ETFs first emerged in 2003. Gold itself, however, has been a store of value for more than 5,000 years. History has proven that as a currency loses value due to inflation or other factors, the price of physical metals has increased against the devalued currency. Would you rather own the actual physical asset or a representation of it in the form of a paper ETF? Call U.S. Money Reserve to learn more about securing physical gold for your retirement portfolio. Click the link in the description to request your free Precious Metals IRA information kit. It's full of everything you need to know about getting started on your self-directed Precious Metals IRA today.